Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have a fun nail art tutorial video for you. This week, through our Facebook group, I am hosting the theme of Meadow. I decided to go with this theme because I am really not ready for winter or fall in general. And an idea of a, busy green meadow is bringing back some summer vibes for me. I would like to thank everybody who joined me for this collab. I will make sure that I link everything for you in the description box, so all of their links will be there. And of course, I will also post all the pictures at the end of my video. So thank you so much, ladies, for joining me, and I do hope that you had fun creating your manicures for this theme. If you guys like this video, then please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here or you are coming from the other channels that joined me for this collab, then welcome. I do hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, then hit the subscribe button before you leave my channel. Alright, so that's all for my rambling or quick intro, but if you guys have any questions or you want to leave any comments for me, leave them in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for being here today. Keep watching my tutorial, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.